Hello everybody. The weather is nice and warm but cloudy. It's a little bit windy, but we're packing up the car for a nice day of relaxation. It's Sunday, we've been working hard, we deserve it. That's why me and Frida came here. You might recognize this place. We even brought a mattress to relax on in the sun, and we're just gonna chill at this water and relax. And as you can see, we brought the solar panel and the Jackery, so I can actually play some video games or edit a vlog in the middle of nature on my computer. That's gonna be awesome. This is like the peak of relaxation for me. The middle of nature with some water in the background and electricity to be on my computer. It's amazing. I love having this Jackery. It's convenient that way. And now I just get to sit outside, working on some video games or vlogs while using free solar energy. Isn't it awesome?
It's amazing!
Yes, it is. Look at it. Look what I'm looking at. Here, let me switch the camera around. This is my view while I'm working. Isn't that just amazing? Technology is awesome. Okay, the warm water is added. I sealed the bags. Now we just wait until the food is nice and moisturized again for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's dinner time. Okay, we spent 6 hours here. 6.5. What's the time? No, 7 hours. 7 hours we've relaxed in this location, and it was very enjoyable. But now it's the end of the day. We are going back home and prepare for another work week tomorrow. So see y'all later. See you in the next vlog. Bye! please like and subscribe. And if you want to support us or just want something that Lee Howe has made, you can buy this little notebook, Look for Stars. The links are in the description, all on Amazon, and you can buy them. See, you can make some beautiful notes in there. The video that just popped up, that one is, according to YouTube, something you will like. So try looking at that one. See you later. Bye.